Hey, what's up guys, Matt here. Today I'll be reviewing the Hawaiian Airlines A330-200 in their new livery by Gemini jets in a 1 to 200 scale. Check the description in case you missed anything throughout this video. All my social media links will be down there. I pre-ordered this from easytoys.com. I will also leave a link in the description. This is my 15th A330 model and it's my 4th Hawaiian Airlines model. Some information about Hawaiian Airlines. The operations base is out of Honolulu in Hawaii, USA. Main hubs are Honolulu Daniel K. Inouye International Airport and Kahului Airport. Focus cities are Lihue Airport and Kailua Kona International Airport. They were founded on the 30th of January 1929 as Inter-Island Airways and commenced operations on the 6th of October 1929, but renamed to Hawaiian Airlines on the 1st of October 1941. The size of the fleet for Hawaiian Airlines as of the 5th of October consists of 65 aircraft, 24 of which are A330-200s. They serve 28 destinations, and their current A330 routes are from Honolulu Daniel K. Inouye to Auckland, Beijing Capital, Brisbane, Las Vegas, Los Angeles, New York JFK, Oakland, Osaka Kansai, Pago Pago, Papeete Whaa'a, Portland, San Diego, San Francisco, San Jose Norman Y. Mineta, Sapporo New Chitos, Seattle Tacoma, Seoul Incheon, Sydney, Tokyo Haneda, and Tokyo Narita. They also fly from Kahului to Los Angeles, San Francisco, and Seattle Tacoma, and from Kailua Kona to Tokyo Haneda. This aircraft's first flight was on the 16th of September 2017 and delivered to Hawaiian on the 28th of September 2017. The Airbus engine designation code for this aircraft is 43. Let's take a look around the box here. Gemini 200, Hawaiian Airlines. Picture the model and A330-200, 1 to 200 scale model. On the back of the box, there is just the standard features of Gemini models and their Facebook page. Top of the box, right hand side, the bottom, and the left. And here we have the model with the stand and the gears. Alright guys, the model is now out of the box and we're going to start at the cockpit windows on the port side. Alright, so with cockpit windows, window wipers, pitot tube, static ports. The aircraft name, Hoku Mau, and I hope I pronounced this correctly. It was named in honor of Pius Mau Piailug, the Satawalese navigator who taught non-instrument navigation to Hawaiian navigators. So I apologize if I pronounced it incorrectly, but that's the best I can do. Airbus A330-200, part of the registration there, 361 on the geared door. Also ETOPS, because typically when you're living on an ocean, it's best to have an ETOPS rating. Hawaiian Airlines titles. There's the inboard landing light. And I just love the detail on this engine. It's fantastic, the amount of detail Gemini jets have been putting into their engines recently. This is the Rolls-Royce Trent 772B-60. And very, very detailed on the inside. Fan blades, they do spin. And there's that inboard landing light. Fan blades on the side spin. Nose gear, no landing lights visible, but that's not typical, or I should say that is typical of them not showing them on the A330 models. Bring this back because we're going to go to the winglet now. There we have there we go, part of the livery on the winglet right there, as well as the red navigation light. Let's take you back onto the fuselage where we have that awesome livery, the silver. I'm guessing it's a lei, because that would be obviously pretty Hawaiian. So it looks to me like it's a flower lei. There's the American flag. Registration number N361HA, November 361 Hotel Alpha. And the Hawaiian lady on the tail. Very good looking APU. And now to the cockpit windows on the starboard side. We have the aircraft name again, Airbus A330-200. I'm not sure if they had it on the other side. I didn't spot it. If it did, I'll have to have another look. But by the R1 door, we have the State of Hawaii flag. Put the registration on the gear door, E-tops, Hawaiian titles, front cargo container door, inboard landing lights, Trent 700 engine. And on the winglet, again, part of the livery, the silver flowers. There's the green navigation light. Onto the fuselage again. Registration number, rear cargo container door, bulk bin door, and the tail. Take a look underneath the aircraft now. Bit of dust right there on the tail, I apologise. Yes, there is the State of Hawaii flag on the other side of the aircraft, on the port side. See if I can show you right here. You can see right there by the first door. Okay, now under the aircraft we have the nose gear, gear doors, antenna, anti-collision light, NACA ducts, hold for the stand, main gears and gear doors. Underneath the wing, flaps, slats, ailerons. At the tip of this fairing right here, we have the fuel dump valve. So that's not I believe it's that fairing. Yeah, it is. That's not a paint defect, so don't get worried if you have a model. If you have this model, it's not a paint defect. That is simply meant to be like that because that is the fuel dump valve. Same under this wing and those engines underneath, very detailed. Gemini Jets logo, 2 antennas, and the APU housing. On top of the aircraft we have antenna, SATCOM antenna, anti-collision light, ADF antenna, flaps, slats, ailerons and spoilers. There's a bit of that livery on the inside of the winglet. The writing says do not walk outside this area. and the same on this wing. Couple more antennas, and then we come to the horizontal stabilizers where we have a grey dot on each one. They are the logo lights that light up the tail at night time. Alright, now let's go through the seating of this aircraft. So we have first class 18 flatbed seats, rows 1 to 3, and that will be from here to about here, so just before the L2 door. And then we have economy comfort, rows 68 seats, rows 11 to 12, 14 to 17, and rows 18 to 21 only on the outside, so not the center. And that will go from just before the L2 door here to about a third of the way down the wing. And then we have economy, 192 seats, rows 8 to 21 in the center, and 22 to 31 and 33 to 47 for a total of 278 seats. And that pretty much goes from about the front of the wing here to the back of the aircraft. Some of the landing gear features for this model now. Wheels mostly roll on this model. You can hear them. That is partially due to wheels not moving, and also you can see it sort of rocking on the magnets right there. So it's a good view of what it's doing, but the gears do tilt quite nicely, which is good. And nose gear does swivel. I don't roll the model, so really rolling wheels don't bother me too much. But tilting wheels, I like the fact that they would tilt properly, because if you display them on the stand with the wheels down, it looks a whole lot better when in the landing or possibly in the lock position. So yeah. Now onto the stand. So it's just the normal Gemini Jet stand, wooden base, logo on the bottom, blue film, and see if we can get this. There's the padding on top of the stand, so you don't scratch them all underneath. I'm just going to quickly remove this blue film. Blue film is not as easy as it used to be to remove. So it makes it my job making the reviews a little more difficult. The shiny metal. Let's remove the remaining film later on, and putting it on the stand. It looks fantastic. I haven't actually seen this new livery yet. Of course, I've seen the old livery plenty of times. Been Hawaii a few times, seen them at Auckland. So the old liveries, nothing new. But when they announced they were going to make a new livery, I was like, don't screw us up, because you've already got an amazing livery. But when they bring out something that looks better than their livery, this model is absolutely amazing. The livery is fantastic. When you do want the in-flight position, I'll just show you here, the gears are magnetic, can be easily removed and put back into place. There are gear doors here to use if you wish. Make sure that gear is in properly. I believe it is, yeah. And so those gears are in their sort of landing position as it's coming into land, sitting up a bit high on the stand, or quite an angle, I should say. Stand needs to probably be bent a little more, but anyway, guys, this is probably going to be the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed. Of course, leave a like if you did enjoy. That'd be fantastic. Please leave a comment, tell me what you think of this model, tell me if you're going to get it. Share it as well so other people can know about this model and see if they want to get it. I know it did come out a while ago, but I'm finally getting around to it, and it's such a nice livery. It's definitely going on my display. It's not going to be packed away because I don't have room at the moment for all my models. Once I get a full display, everything will be on display, but this one will definitely be showcased currently. Subscribe as well, plenty more on the way. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.